In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide drawings in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to temporarily remove a drawing from your chart and bring it back without deleting anything, which is perfect when you want a clean view to analyze price action. Start by heading to tradingview.com. Once you're on the site, make sure you're looking at a chart workspace, not just a snapshot. From the main page, choose the stock section and open the full featured chart. This gives you access to the drawing tools, the right-hand panels, and all the options we'll use. With your chart open, click on the drawing you want to manage. This could be a trend line, a rectangle, a Fibonacci tool, or any other annotation you've placed on the chart. When you select it, you'll see a small toolbar appear near the drawing, confirming it's active. On that small toolbar, look for the three dots, which indicate more options. Click those three dots to open the context menu for the selected drawing. This menu is where you'll find extra actions that aren't on the main toolbar. Choose Hide. The drawing will disappear from your chart immediately. Don't worry, it's not deleted, it's simply hidden. This is a great way to declutter your view, compare clean price action with your marked up analysis, or focus on a different set of drawings without losing your work. To bring the drawing back, move to the right side of the screen and open the panels there. Click on Object Tree, which is TradingView's layer manager for everything on your chart. You can also click Data Window in the same area if you'd like to keep it available. It shows numeric values for what's on the chart, but our main focus here is the object tree. Inside the object tree, you'll see a list of your drawings grouped by type or time frame. Find the drawing you hid. If you have many items, scroll through the list and look for the one with a crossed out eye icon. Click the eye icon to unhide it. As soon as you toggle the eye on, the drawing reappears on your chart exactly where you left it and with all its original settings intact. That's the full workflow. Open your chart, select the drawing, use the three dots to hide it, then use the object tree on the right to reveal it again. Remember, hiding is non-destructive and reversible, so it's a safe way to keep your workspace tidy while preserving all your analysis.